An Austin man is on a crusade to stop fentanyl deaths. He's handing out Narcan, hoping the overdose reversal medication will help save lives.
His mission is to use it as a tool to combat one of the biggest public health crises facing Travis County: deaths caused by opioids and fentanyl overdoses.
KVUE's Eric Pointer shares his journey to help educate others and the impact he hopes it has in the community.
The whole thing at one nostril.
Daryl Rembert,
Lips and fingernails are turned blue.
teaching people how to intervene in a drug overdose situation is critical.
My passion is to get the message out and let people know that there's an epidemic going on, a health problem in our community, and we have to be proactive.
It's a passion that stems from his past.
You know, I used to be an addict, and I've gone through the system, but once I've gotten clean, instead of being part of the problem, I've become part of the solution.
That's why he wants to get the overdose reversal drug Narcan in the hands of people who may need it and make sure they know how to use it.
And I'll have some Narcan on the table, and have my computer out just doing something, and I just have a conversation.
Which is how he met Tatum Lagon.
He's doing great stuff for Austin.
Lagon lost 2 cousins to fentanyl poisoning, so she connected with Rembert and his mission.
I basically had no idea that fentanyl was even an issue, and seeing it firsthand, like having that big firsthand experience, kind of like blew my mind a little bit.
Tatum says she wishes she would have known about Narcan sooner.
We can never say that it's not affecting us personally, because anyone around you could be doing it at any time.
The public health crisis is impacting Travis County hard. According to the Texas Health Fentanyl Trends Dashboard, Travis County has the most fentanyl deaths in the state. Travis County Judge Andy Brown hopes to change that.
It's increasing in the number of people who die each year over the past few years.
The latest data from the Travis County Medical Examiner shows there were 35 accidental drug deaths with fentanyl detected in 2020, 118 in 2021, and 245 in 2022.
We have, a population of almost 1.4 million people here in Travis County, and our job is to protect the health and safety of people who live here.
Judge Brown says part of that protection includes distributing Narcan. In 2023, Travis County spent nearly $175,000 on the overdose reversal medicine, supplying it to community-based organizations like Communities for Recovery and Texas Harm Reduction Alliance and others.
So it's important to work with those groups to make sure that they're getting them to the populations they serve and they know and they work with.
Judge Brown says a large number of people in the county don't interact with EMS, police, or other healthcare workers who would normally have Narcan, which makes Daryl's outreach an important public service.
The way that we're going to save more lives with providing Narcan is by getting it into the hands of people who are in those coffee shops that he knows that we don't know at Travis County.
Hopefully one day, everybody will have it in their medicine cabinet, because it's such a big problem right now.
It's a lesson he wishes people didn't need to learn, but wants to make sure it's one they know. In Travis County, Eric Pointer, KVUE News.
So I appreciate that.
Mr. Rembert got his training to give out Narcan from the Texas Overdose Naloxone Initiative. He also works with Communities for Recovery.